Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Hello, and welcome to another virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. Today we are on Camposol. Wow, you wouldn't believe it. We have changed again location and we are today in the development of Camposol, exactly in Sector C. We are on Calle Castillo San Juan, which is quite a nice, secluded area, quiet. And I'm just standing here on a plot of nearly 700 square meters and showing you today a two-bed, two-bathroom, freestanding villa with kind of a solarium on top, winter garden to say. I'm just standing here at the pool. We have actually 31 degrees today. Humidity is around 65%, so it's pretty pleasant today. We had some rain during the night, so that's good for all the trees and plants. But otherwise, it's another gorgeous day here on the Costa Calida in the region of Murcia. Today, as we said, we are on Camposol with a virtual open house presented to you by qualityhomescostacalida.com. For more information about this property and many other properties on Camposol, on Condado, or wherever you find them in the region of Murcia, please use our dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com, and this specific property you find under the reference 3517. So, enough said, what you can see is loads of plants, because the owner is really into plants. I would say she has a green thumb. I don't know if this saying exists también also in English, but in German I would say she has really a green thumb. As you can see, the garden is really breathtaking, very well kept, and on the other side all with easy maintenance plants. So this means there's not a lot to do for the gardener and also not a lot of water to be used to keep the garden green. We are on Camposol today and I will show you now a two-bed, two-bathroom property located on Sector C on Camposol here on the region of Murcia on the Costa Calida. Costa Calida means the warm coast, and we are about 20 minutes drive from the closest beaches in Bolnuevo. And so we can say it's really only, as I said, a quick stroll and you're at the beach. Having said that, this property as well has a pool, as we have just seen. So, going from the garden level, some steps up, we come to the main terrace. As you can see, orientation-wise, we are southwest facing, rather west in this case, less south. And just let me walk into the property now. Just coming in here, we do see not only Judy, our listing agent. Hello Judy, how are you?
Hi.
So this is really a great property. Welcome and congrats to this listing because this really looks nice.
Oh, thank you. It is indeed. It's situated on Lower C in Camposol, and it's walking distance to the golf club where they have live music and everything on it. So it's absolutely perfect situation for everything and location.
Happy days, thank you very much. So I just follow up now. We are in the living room, and as you can see, it's quite an ample living room. There's a mirror for Rupert. There we see, you've just seen Rupert, the agent here. And this is now the open plan kitchen. There is an island. And as you can see, the property is fully equipped with dishwasher, washing machine, oven hob extractor fan, obviously all other mod-cons, as you can see, as a fridge freezer, and most important as well, the island here, which also works as a breakfast bar. The living room itself has as well an open fireplace, which is quite handy in winter. I mean, the winter in Spain, you maybe know, is not as you might be used to back home, but still it can be sometimes a little bit chilly, especially in the evening. So this property as well is equipped with an oil central heating. And here we see one of the radiators. So this means that this property is also perfectly usable in wintertime, not only in summer. Just walking through the property now, I will show you first the master bedroom, which has its ensuite bathroom. Here we go with the master bedroom. Property is sold as seen, with most of the mod-cons and all of the furnishing more or less stays as it is. We have a fitted wardrobe here. Just let me show you the size of the fitted wardrobe. It's a decent size, so this really should be enough space. And we are coming to the adjacent bathroom, which is an ensuite bathroom with bathtub, as well heating in here. And as you can see, that's really beautiful. Fully equipped, ready to move in. As you can see, the seller is still living in the place, so it's maybe not as our normal viewings where there's nobody living there. Today this property is obviously lived in, so you might see some private items which are maybe not included in the asking price, as well as Julie is not included in the asking price. We are seeing now the second bathroom, which has a walk-in shower, as we can see here. Just let me show this to you. There's a walk-in shower. Happy days, obviously window with mosquito netting or fly screen. And as normal, hand wash basin, mirror, and even a loo, surprise, surprise. And we keep on going to the second bedroom. The flooring in the living room and kitchen is wood-based laminate, and in the bedrooms and bathrooms it is ceramic tiling. As you can see, also decent window, as well fitted wardrobe. Over here, fitted wardrobe. There we go. I think it's a nice little property. The asking price for this place is, as you can see on our webpage, 140,000 euros, which just has been reduced from 155,000, as the seller is looking for a quick deal. Again, the kitchen, looking into the living room again. There we go. We are today on Camposol, Sector C, as we said. We are in a two-bed, two-bathroom villa on a nearly 700 square meter plot with its individual pool. And as you can see, it's all on one level, which is quite handy. But there is another level on top of that. And just let me walk now to show you the roof terrace and what I would call a winter garden. So we just came in here, so let's walk through here. We are still on the same level, and are now walking up to the roof terrace with its private staircase. There we go. It's a beautiful day today, as I said. We have over 30 degrees at the moment, about 65% humidity. It's a little bit windy, which makes it quite comfortable. Well, and up here, there's a massive terrace. We are looking down again. Just let me show you the pool again. This looks really amazing. Isn't this nice? So this could be your private terrace. Garden, as we said, is nearly 700 square meters. So there is enough space to have a good time here, also with your family, with your kids, grandchildren, you name it, we have it. This massive parabolic antenna provides obviously all international TV channels, especially UK channels. And what we have here now is the winter garden. As I said before, the lady selling the property is very much into plants. So what we see here is actually the plants she's growing at the very moment. So we're talking about parsley, we're talking about tomato, I see peppers over there. Well, what else? Some green stuff down there. So really, quite a lot of difference, no? So and this seems to work well up here. As you can see, the views, we are overlooking the Camposol development here on Mazaron. Camposol is part of this town of Mazaron, which is with Mazaron Beach, Mazaron Port, quite a big municipality. And we are just at the edge of Mazaron towards Alhama and towards Totana at the same time. We are today on Camposol Sector C on a two-bed, two-bathroom freestanding villa, reference 3517 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. And I'm showing you today, actually I'm showing you now the roof terrace. And as we can see here as well, there is more space down here, which is also kept pretty well at the moment. As we said, she is into gardening and is doing as well garden service for other villas. So this might be here as well some garden stuff, which is then put into other properties. So we're going down again. And just let me show you again this two-bed, two-bathroom property, reference 3517 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. We are now back to the main level. As you can see, we are showing again the living room over here. There we go. So as we said, it's quite an ample living room with open fireplace as well as central heating in all rooms. This room is fitted with a ceiling fan over here. And I have to confess, it's really pleasant in here. So you maybe don't even need an air conditioning because it's really cool. I'm really surprised because I was expecting as well inside about 30 degrees, but didn't happen. It's really nice and cool. In case you need some more air conditioning at night to find sleep, there is also an air conditioning unit in the master bedroom, which is normally the most important. Also in our house, if we need the air conditioning, then we rather need it in the bedroom because during the day the doors are open. It doesn't really make sense to cool down all the area. Back to the property, back to the master bedroom and the ensuite master bathroom. It's all in a very traditional Spanish style, as we can see. Central heating as well here in the bathroom. Asking price is reduced from 155 to only 140,000 euros, showing you the second bedroom. Again, there we go, second bedroom. Beautiful views out onto the garden, mosquito netting everywhere, blinds as well, and furnished as we see. There is a second bathroom, just over here. There we go. This is our second bathroom with walk-in shower. That's what's the walk-in shower. There we go. As well, additional window with fly screens. And we forgot to show the radiator. So as we said, central heating in all rooms. It's an oil burner and it's doing pretty well. The owner says she's ever so happy with the heating. The kitchen, as we said, is open plan, as you can see, and is connected directly to the living room. Fitted with all necessary mod cons. Here we go, oven, hob, extractor fan, Rupert, get a little bit further away, there we go. As well as washing machine, dishwasher, breakfast bar over here, that's quite handy I would say. And we are overlooking the living room. There we go. So this property you can find on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com, under the reference 3517. And let's have a look again at the pool somewhere over there, just to give you an idea about the proximity. So to the pool, it's just around here, just walking down there, going over there, it's maybe 30 meters walk and you're in your pool. This is really a beautiful place and it's quite relaxing here. It's really quiet. You can hardly hear somebody except the birds. We have loads of birds this year, much more than the last years. In case you have any question or doubt, please just drop us a line at the bottom of the screen and me and my team will be happy to answer your question. As we said, reference 3517 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price just reduced from 155 to 140,000 euros. It's a Rosa-style villa, which has a larger plot than normal, obviously, as we can see. Open plan living room, swimming pool, private covered front terrace, that's what we've just seen. We have seen as well the solarium. The fiber internet is ready to be installed, and it's some 5 minutes away from the 18-hole golf course of Camposol, and also from the clubhouse. There are 2 commercial centers in the area. There are 2 small supermarkets and 1 large supermarket, an English butcher, a petrol station, a post office, a clinic. Well, you name it, we have it. Camposol is full of services. You have 2 commercial centers, as we said, 1 in Sector A, 1 in Sector C, and they really provide nearly all what you need, from the big chino to the Indian restaurant, to the pub, to the chippy shop. You name it, we have it. It's all here on Camposol. So this is really something what you hardly find in other areas, is that so many services are really here. And especially supermarket-wise, there are two smaller supermarkets and a massive Consum supermarket, which stocks as well lots of international product. So that's also helpful to make your life a little bit easier. And maybe you're looking for the Marmite or whatever. I'm pretty convinced that there you will find it. Okay, so enough words, I think. This is really a beautiful property. Judy, what can we say? 140,000 euros. This is a steal.
140,000 euros is an absolute steal. It was on the market 155 and just been reduced down for a quick sale. It's got everything. You've got the space, you've got the extended kitchen, you've got 2 bathrooms, you've got an ensuite. Everything is situated in a lovely part of Camposol. And also you're not that far away from Sector A and Sector B, where you have the main shopping centres. On Sector A you have restaurants and bars, you also have the medical centre, you have a dentist, so everything is on site here as well as Camposol. I live on here, so any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me.
Happy days. Thank you ever so much for that. Well, guys, I think this was it for today in English. You can join me as well at 5:30 in Spanish or at 6 o'clock in German. We will show the same house, but obviously in a different language. So, looking forward to see you next week again. Same time, same station, 5 o'clock on Thursday, means 4 o'clock in the UK and on the Canary Islands. Pleasure to have you here today. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Stay safe. Bye.
Bye bye.